Go.
Hi guys, so guess where we're at? We're at the, and me and Tia were just playing with this ball, which is incredibly high. Watch. Wait.
Wait.
See the whole thing? We're gonna roll back. Oh my.
Oh, wait, hit the ceiling.
Anyways, I'm kind of dirty now, but look at him.
Say hi.
Hi. Daddy is a gangster.
Hi, I'm Tia, by the way.
They know who you are by now.
Okay, well, yeah. We're just walking around the store. So, watch Ashley.
Anybody catch it? Catch it. Sorry, that was really weak.
So whack. Ready? Ready? Wait. Ready? It's Dora. Mickey Mouse. Dan Dan.
Hi.
Ashley.
Okay, something illegal. Hold on.
Look at the Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell and Elmo. Cars. Dora. Wait. Oh, hi again.
Caught me.
Yeah, Ashley ride.
Look at my car.
I want to see. Where's my ride?
I don't know. This one's my car, guys. Remember
If
from
you
It's
last
a car.
remember
Beautiful
from
car.
Last time.
I want to ride.
On my back.
Trying to find me a ride.
And we're gonna watch Ashley skateboard.
We're gonna watch Ashley skateboard. Come on, Deno.
Don't come on me. You're not so professional, man.
What?
You're not professional.
What are you talking about?
Okay, hold on. Watch.
1 second.
You sound professional. 1 second.
You're supposed to continue to talk while
What is this?
Okay, ready? Wait, hold on. We're gonna watch Ashley skateboard.
you gotta hold it.
Okay.
Thank you. And my
Okay, that's good too. Like her flower? My boob.
back so I have space, guys.
Okay.
Put this in her.
I feel like I should be wearing some helmets.
Okay.
No, don't get me in this, motherfucker.
Move out the way.
Bitch, I am moving.
I like the other one better.
Woo!
Well, you saw.
Is that it?
Okay. Now let's go find the pogo stick.
Pogo sticks.
No, that's not a pogo. That's a pump. Never mind. I thought
That's a
stupid.
pump.
Okay. Yes, there are. Want to make a bet? I will go ask that old lady right now. I was bad. Oh.
She likes the bike. You gonna ride?
Come on. Wait, my port. Can you?
Here.
Thank you. You have to get in trouble.
Well, we can't ride around the store with it. Ashley. Ashley! She's being kind of crazy. Come on. Where you at? Hey. There she comes. Doing some illegal driving. What? Do you not know how to ride a bike?
Yeah, but now when you get in front of me, you're in trouble.
Put the bike back.
I'm putting it back.
Okay, are we still gonna record?
Well, technically. I don't know.
Hi. Okay, something?
Peace out.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay, well, see you later. Say bye.
Bye.